Hello guys, my name is Armin. In today's episode, learning Revizto, I want to show you a good feature. I want to show you how to identify elements in your 3D and locate all of those in your 2D sheets. So this comes handy when you, let's say, get a request from your facility management team and they're asking you to locate all the fire alarms, let's say specific type of lights, location of the fire extinguisher, so you can identify one of them on your 3D model and then create a set to capture all the fire extinguisher in the whole project, and you can locate them on your 2D sheets. So basically every single level that you go, every single floor plan and your drawings that you go, you'll be able to see all of those objects have been located and identified. So you can assign all of them to your facility manager or to the design team to change or to modify them. So it's a great way to connect the 3D with the 2D and locate stuff on your sheets. Without further ado, let's jump into Revizto. I know you're going to enjoy it. And also, if you enjoy this video, please make sure to subscribe and leave a like.
In today's episode, learning Revizto, we want to take a look at locating objects into these image sheets from the 3D model. So we can identify elements in our 3D model, and basically we can see the location of all of them in our 2D sheet. And there's going to be a really nice and good workflow. And I think this is a good feature that Revizto has, that basically you can use this for a different purposes on your project. Let's say if you want to find a location of all the fire extinguisher, right? You want a location of all the um just cameras. You want to find a location of all the antennas, or any single object that you have in your model, and you want to find all of them, and you can see the location of all of those in your 2D sheets. That is the way to go. So in order to do that, we need to create some set, we need to find some objects, and then also we need to create some stamps. So if you have not kind of followed previous video regarding all of those items, please go back and review those so you understand what we're doing, and then you can come back and watch this video. So let's just start this one over here. What I'm gonna do, let's just find something in this building that we want to change. So I want to look at this. Okay, so let's just select all of these pendant die. Let's say we got a new design. We want to change all of these pendant die. Find the location of all of these in our sheets, identify them, tell the design team this is a location of the lights, just replace them with a different type, and these are all the issues, right? So let's just create this. So what I'm gonna do first, I wanna basically select my selection tree, and then also you have probably we need this one, the properties, and then sets, and then find objects. Again, these are the most important items that we kind of deal with all the time. Please go back and watch a video on every single all of those. So I selected that pendant light, and I'm coming to my property. So I want to look for everything that has the same pendant dome and also have the same type, right? Let's say we want to, let's just be specific. So I'm going to find a pendant dome that has 18-inch diameter, and then the height of is like 15 inches. So I want to find all of those, right? So basically, I come here and say, find all the object with the same property, and I want you to pay attention to this number. So I selected one, and I'm going to hit this. It finds all the 190 instances in my model, like the whole model that has basically um, these items right there, right? So basically, right now with 2 clicks, I identified everything that has the same name and type that wants to be replaced, and I want to kind of communicate this to my design team. So when I'm done here, select, I want to come to define object because I want to create sets, right? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to say just, correct selection that I have. And then I'm going to create and save a new search set. So I'm just going to name it, let's say with the same name, right? Pendant, what is called pendant dome. and it is 18" times 15" height. Okay. I'll just leave it right now. I don't need any folders here. Let's just leave it over here so you guys see. So when I created this, I want to do a quick QC. So I'm gonna unselect everything, right? So let me just close these so you guys can see. So if I double click this one, you should select all of them, all in the 190. So I know my search is okay and correct, and I'm gonna select all. So right now I need to create stamps. I come to the stamp here and I want to create a stamps. There is again another video. We went through creating stamps in detail. Please go back, take a look at that so you know what you're doing right here. We want to create an issue for all of those. We need to create a stamp and kind of place it. So I want to just create one step. Let's just call it pendant light. And then the title says pendant light removal, for example. And let's just leave it under design. Okay. I'm good with all of these issues. And then let's just go back to my 3D. So right now I basically identify all of them, selecting all, create the stamps, right? After the creating stamps, I'm going to go to the multiple stamps because I want to create an issue for all the 190 lights that I already picked, right? I don't want to just go to just one, right? All of them. So I need to create on this one, and I already create my stamps. It's right here, PDL, my pendant light removal. And when I click on it, here's going to be another confirmation for you that you know you are doing your job correctly, and that's identify 190 objects that you want to stamp 190 objects, right? So I'm good with this one. I'm going to create 190 stamps. So it's going to take a little bit time, whatever it takes for you to find all of them is going to start creating stamps for every single item to basically go on. Okay, so stamp is done. You guys can see basically just went through, took a few minutes. When it's done, kind of show the stamps is all the items. It kind of created everything for me, so you can kind of see created all 190 issues that I had wanted, and all created basically to all of those. So right now, I just want to create like some, let's say, just it's a custom filter. And then to access the custom filter, you guys can know when you come to the issue tracker right here, you can click on the custom filter. You can go custom filter. You can type the item you want if you want, and then you can kind of save a filter. Let's say I want to do pendant dome, and then create this one. And basically, it's going to apply to all of this that you have for all of your items that you are created. And then you can see it's basically kind of showing up over here for me. So right now it's basically my 190 issues that I have. It's assigned to the D's pendant dome. And what I'm going to do right now, I've created everything, kind of assign them, create the filter. And then also I basically add all of these items to it. So you can see if I click on all of those, it's going to go one by one to all of these issues that I have at these areas. So when I make sure that I have everything labeled, stamped, filtered, right now I can go to my 2D environment and then you have all of the sheets. So any sheets that you go, it doesn't matter because it's going to find all of those and you already aligned all the sheets. Again, there's going to be another video that we have talking about basically how to align the sheets with your model. Please go back and take a look at that. So for now, what I'm going to do is I want to select, let's say, just first floor ceiling plan or my RCP for the first floor. So I want to kind of go inside and you see basically all of the items that I created. You can see all the issues over here one by one, right? So basically, it's gonna tell me what it is and where I kind of put them. So I can close even this one. I don't kind of need it. I can just look at the sheets. But what I'm saying, you guys can kind of get close to each area and you can see all the stamps that I created for the location of all of these issues. So basically, it says if you get closer over here, it's going to be two light next to each other. These are is going to be the uh, all the stamps. So it doesn't matter what sheets you go. Let's just go to a different sheet. Let's just go to third floor, see how it looks like, right? So you can see at the third floor, we have more of those. So when they're closer, just going to show the number as you kind of get close a little bit more to that area. Basically, it's going to change the number to like PDL for you. Let me go. Let's try one electrical. See how it looks like. So if I go to the lighting plan, 201 level one, so it basically shows we have dependent light in these areas, kind of placed. So again, this is going to be a great way for you to basically create all of this. You can identify the stuff with creating a search set and finding object in your actual 3D model, and you'll be able to stamp all of them and see them here. Let's say you want to find the location of all the, as I mentioned, fire extinguisher, lighting, diffusers, different type of light, different plumbing fixtures. This is going to be a great way to find everything in your model, and you can see the location of all of them in your 2D, and you can kind of share that with everyone. Um, Hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. So if you like the content, make sure to subscribe and leave a like. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching.